STScI is organizing a ULLYSES workshop in March at STScI. The goal is to gather the wide-ranging community that is working on ULLYSES data or interested in working on ULLYSES data so that they can collaborate, number one. Number two is, maybe gain momentum in the analysis or even kickstart new ideas for analysis. And this is one step in fulfilling the promise of ULLYSES, right? ULLYSES is a very large investment of time with the Hubble Space Telescope. And so we really want to exploit the data to its full potential. And in order to do that, we really need to get people together to really brainstorm ideas and be creative, think out of the box, and really push the limits of what can be done with those data sets. So we have over 60 people coming to STScI in March to work together on ULLYSES data, and hopefully this will lead to more publications. There's already 18, or I think 20 maybe counting. And we hope to get more thanks to this conference.